Hey, good morning. It's Matt here with 911R on Bring a Trailer. And today we have this Backdraft Cobra ending. I just want to do like a little walk around, talk about this car. First of all, I'll say this: I'm really impressed with the quality of this car, the suspension, the build quality, the paint. You can really tell a Backdraft car from other ones because just all the finish attributes of the car. Let's go ahead and open up the hood and take a look. Under the hood, we have a Roush 347. And if you're not familiar with a 347, I have to say it's the best combo of a small block Ford motor is. You know, it's a 302 motor that's been stroked to 347. You got aluminum high performance heads. You got L-Rock intake. This thing really makes the horsepower. It's nicely built and built by, I think, one of the best engine shops for Ford there is, which is Roush. You know, these cars have a square tube frame, rack and pinion steering, independent rear end, just lots of stuff that really bring these cars into modern era for suspension and handling. We got disc brakes all the way around. But just everything if you look underneath the hood, you look under, everything in here, it's just really nicely finished. The header collector out the side pipes, the coilover suspension, just everything is just really well thought out and built nicely. I love the touches of the rivets on the hood. The paint is really great on the car. You really can feel the stripe underneath the clear coat because it's just really nicely laid out and hand finished out. It's got brand new tires on it. There was a lot of comments about the center lock spinners being not wired right. They've all been corrected now. I personally did them. Come around the front, it's just really nice and sharp. Again, paint. It's got paint protection on it. It's got paint protection in the rear. There really isn't any flaws on the car. There might be a few minute chips around that I don't really even see, but I have to say it looks really great. Windshield and everything is great. It's got the visors. Come around to the dash. We got the odometer gauges. Got 9,000 miles on it. You got the plaque from Roush stating the horsepower and the build information on it. The interior is really nicely thought out. Jet planes. We have a T5 Tremec gearbox in it, which is really just an awesome, well-built gearbox. On the side pipes, we do have the covers that go over them to help with the heat shield that come with the car. We also have a spare windshield that comes with the car. The car doesn't have a top, but does have a tonneau cover that comes with it. It's here in the trunk. Of course, you got the cool big FIA gas filler on it. Here, there's the tonneau cover and everything you see in here. Go through and check all that out. But we have documents and paperwork on this car. I'll follow everything. It's a 2-owner car. It's just really, if you're looking for a Cobra that you can get in and run and not have any problems with, I think this is the one to get. Just everything about the quality of this car is just sharp right on. So any questions, let us know. If you're interested in having 911R sell a car for you, also hit us up. Good luck, and this is a good one.